Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sandhya and today we will see how to create colorful backgrounds from the brush pen. So let's get started. All you need is white paper sheet, a transparent sheet, a napkin, Tombow Firunsky brush pen if needed, Camlin brush pens, Doms brush pen and a sprinkler bottle. I am getting so confused in choosing the color, so I have taken a peacock green and light neon pink color. Please friends, don't use dark colors together, it will look so dull. Now use this color on transparent sheet and sprinkle the water on it. If you don't have sprinkler bottle, you can just put some drops of water. Now put the transparent sheet on the white sheet and gently spread it on the whole sheet by using napkin. If extra water remains, soak it from the napkin and now let it dry. See how colorful it is. Now it's time for my favorite color background, which is rainbow. Now take all the shades which create rainbow and start spreading on the transparent sheet. Use the Vibgyor term while creating rainbow. Hope everyone knows about it. Now we do the same process again. Sprinkle the water on transparent sheet and gently rub on the white paper. Spread the water very carefully. OMG, this looks so vibrant and glowing. Now let's step on the other background. I have used skin and violet color and we do the same process. Oops, see, I have sprinkled less water and that's why color didn't spread properly. So don't make this mistake please, and I request you to put sufficient water drops so that color will spread easily. So sheet is dried and I will write quote on it, which is, "The greater your storm, the brighter your rainbow." While writing, I have used black Doms brush pen, which is so juicy and very smooth in writing. I request you, please write after the sheet get dry, because if you will write, the color will get spread and everything will be get messed up. Yay, it's done, and see, I have write different quotes on different sheets with different backgrounds and how beautiful they are looking. Now as you know, if you want, you can paste these quotes in your room. They will look so good and attractive, and you can write anything on them. You can draw any doodle on them. They will look so cute also. Hope you enjoyed a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll be posting new videos every week, so stay tuned. Also make sure to like, comment and share, and please don't forget to subscribe.